Good morning, children. How are you all? I hope everyone is fine and taking care of yourself and of your family members, right? Children, in our previous video, we have discussed the question bank provided by our SSC board. We have discussed the MCQs of lesson number 1 and lesson number 2. Today in this video, we shall be discussing the MCQs of remaining lesson. So we will continue discussing the MCQs provided by the SSC board. Okay, children? So, let's begin. Question number 1A, choose correct alternative. So, we will start these MCQs of lesson number 3, chemical reaction and equations. The representation of chemical reaction in a condensed form using chemical formulae is called as dash. Correct answer is chemical equation. Next, when positive charge on atom increases or the negative charge on them decreases, it is called dash. So what it is the answer, children? Answer is oxidation. The reaction in which there is only one reactant giving rise to two or more products is called dash reaction. Yes, correct answer is decomposition. In chemical equation, dash are written on the right hand side. What is written, children? Absolutely correct. The products are written on the right hand side, isn't it? Next question. Adding dilute ZnSO4 into dilute BaCl2 is the example of dash reaction. The correct answer is double displacement reaction. Moving to the next lesson, lesson number 4, electric current. Unit of electrical power is dash. Is it volt, watt, joule or ampere? Yes, the correct answer is watt. The live and neutral wires have potential difference of dash. Answer is 220 volts. Dash wire is used in an electric bulb. Correct answer is tungsten wire is used in an electric bulb. The electricity bill specifies the usage in dash. Yes, answer is unit. The frequency of alternating current, that is AC, is dash. Yes, the frequency of alternating current is 50 Hz. Next question. Dash switches are used in homes to shops when the current in the circuit suddenly increases. So what is used, children? Absolutely correct, children. MCB switches are used. Next question. A coil made up of an alloy is used in electric heater, cooker as a resistor. So what is that coil made up of? It is made up of nichrome. Moving to lesson number 5, heat. Right hand thumb rule is also called dash. Yes, it is also known as Maxwell's corkscrew rule. Next question. Dash scientists discovered the law of electromagnetic induction. Yes, you are correct, children. Answer is Michael Faraday. Dash is used to make electrical measurements. Answer is galvanometer. Which of the following substances undergo contraction when heat is given? Yes, correct answer is ice. The melting point of a substance dash due to pressure. So what happens, children? Yes, it becomes lower. The melting point of a substance becomes lower due to pressure. The vapor content in the air is measured using a physical quantity called absolute humidity. The feeling of humid or dry nature of air does not depend on volume of air. Next question. Due to the condensation of vapor in the air, dash is formed. Correct. Dews are formed, right? Next question. When the temperature of water starts decreasing below 4 degrees Celsius, its volume dash. Yes, its volume increases. In region with cold climate, the aquatic plants and animals can survive even when the atmospheric temperature goes below 0 degree. So the options are: ice formed on the surface of water is bad conductor of heat. Further, heat exchange between water and atmosphere is blocked. Or C, anomalous behavior of water. Yes, the correct answer is all of the above. Which of the following metal has the highest specific heat capacity? Absolutely right. Iron, that is iron. Iron has the highest specific heat capacity. Shredded ice convert into solid ball is an example of dash. Regulation. The SI unit of specific heat is joules per kg degrees Celsius. This is the SI unit of specific heat. The anomalous behavior of water can be studied with dash. Correct answer is with the help of Hope's apparatus. Next question. The amount of heat necessary to raise temperature of 1 kg of water from 14.5 degrees Celsius to 15.5 degrees Celsius is 4180 joule. We will move to the next lesson, that is lesson number 6, refraction of light. In the given experiment, the pencil is appeared to be broken because of dash. So, have you seen this, children? When you put a pencil in a glass of water, so what can we can observe that the pencil is broken. So, why does this happens? Because of refraction of light. Yes. Now, if the incident angle, that is angle I, is 40 degree, then emergent angle, that is angle E, will be what? Yes, of course, it will be 40 degree. Okay. Next, a light ray is making 40 degree angle with the surface of a glass slab. Then its incident angle will be dash. Yes, it will be 40 degree. We see the sun even before it emerges above the horizon. This is because of refraction of light. Absolutely correct, children. Dash is the unit of refractive index. Centimeter, meter, degree. So what you say, children? Yes, there is no unit for refractive index. N is equal to dash and it is called as Snell's law. Yes, N is equal to sin I upon sin R and it is known as Snell's law. In traffic signal, different colored lights are to be used. From these lights, wavelength of red light is dash nm. Yes, it is 700 nm. The refractive index of air with respect to glass is 23. So the refractive index of glass with respect to air is 3 upon 2. The process of separation of light into its component colors while passing through a medium is called dash. Yes, it is called dispersion of light. Light changes its direction when going from one transparent medium to another transparent medium. This is called refraction of light. Correct. Moving to the next lesson, lesson number 7, lenses. A ray of light gets refracted dash while passing through a lens. So how many times does it get refracted? Yes, it gets refracted twice. The point inside a lens on the principal axis through which light rays pass without changing their path is called dash of a lens. It is called the optical center of a lens. Now, if the position of object is dash, then the obtained image is virtual. Yes, if the position of object is between F1 and O, then the obtained image is virtual. If the object is kept at 2F1, the image will be obtained at 2F2. All distances parallel to the principal axis are measured from optical center. There is a small hole of changing diameter at the center of the iris, which is called the pupil. For a normal eye, the near point is at 25 cm. Dash lenses always form small and virtual image. So which type of lenses form small and virtual image? Yes, it is biconcave lenses. In a relaxed state, the focal length of a healthy eye is 2.1 cm. Correct. Next question. For a particular lens, f is equal to 0.5. On the basis of this information, a student has to find out the type of the lens. What would be his answer? Yes, the answer is power should be +2 diopter and lens would be convex lens. In nearsightedness or myopia, the eye dash. What happens in myopia or nearsightedness? The eye cannot see distant objects clearly. Dash elongates so that the distance between the lens and the retina increases. Hence, the eye cannot see distant objects. Yes, eyeball elongates. In farsightedness or hypermetropia, the human eye cannot see nearby object distinctly. Yes, cannot see the nearby object distinctly. Bifocal lenses are required to correct the defect dash. Presbyopia. One can get a dash times larger image of an object using compound microscope. Yes, one can get 20 times larger image of an object using a compound microscope. Dash is made up of two convex lenses having smaller focal length. It is compound microscope. Now let's move ahead with lesson number 8, metallurgy. Bronze is an alloy of dash and dash. It is an alloy of copper and tin. It is an alloy made from iron, chromium and carbon. It is stainless steel. Which of the following is a basic oxide? It is K2O. In electrolyte reduction of alumina, a set of dash dipped in molten electrolyte works as anode? Answer is graphite. Iron is dash. It is less reactive than aluminium. Next question. If elements zinc, iron, aluminium and copper are arranged in increasing order of their reactivity, then which of the following order is correct? The correct answer is copper, iron, zinc and then aluminium. Next question. A greenish layer forms on the surface of a copper or brass vessel due to corrosion. To prevent this damage, which of the following method is to be used? Yes, tinning. The Wifley table method is based on dash gravitation. Aluminium oxide is dash. Yes, it is amphoteric. Atomic number of aluminium is dash and its electronic configuration is dash. So atomic number of aluminium is 13 and its electronic configuration is 283. Molecular formula of zinc blende is ZnS. Extraction of moderately reactive metal is done with methods dash and dash. With the method roasting and calcination. Due to corrosion of silver, blackish layer of dash is formed. Yes, blackish layer of silver sulfide is formed. To prevent corrosion of iron or steel, dash method is used. Galvanizing is used. Aqua regia is freshly prepared by mixing concentrated hydrochloric acid and dash acid. Answer is nitric acid. A sound is produced when certain metals are struck. This is called dash. Yes, it is called sonority. Non-metals dash exist in liquid state at room temperature. You are correct, children. Bromine. Ionic compounds are electrically neutral. Right? Ionic compounds are electrically neutral. Dash is a bad conductor of electricity but good conductor of heat. Yes, it is diamond. Next, dash is the least reactive metal. Gold is the least reactive metal. Dash substance form green aqueous solution. Answer is FeSO4. When one of the metals in an alloy is mercury, the alloy is called as amalgam. The minerals from which the metals can be separated economically are called ores. Okay, here the answer is ores. Moving to lesson number 9, carbon compound. Generally, the boiling point of carbon compounds are to be lower than 300 degrees. Number of electrons in valence shell of carbon is 4. There is dash bond between two oxygen atoms. There is double bond. The molecular masses of carbon compounds range up to dash 10 raised to 12. The unsaturated hydrocarbons containing a carbon-carbon double bonds are called alkene. Yes, if there is a double bond between carbon-carbon, it is known as alkene. And the unsaturated hydrocarbon whose structures contain a carbon-carbon triple bonds are called as alkynes. The phenomena in which compounds having different structural formulae have the same molecular formula is called dash. Structural isomerism. Dash is cyclic hydrocarbon. Benzene. In any homologous series, while going in an increasing order of length, there is a rise in molecular mass of the member by 14U. The general molecular formula for the homologous series of alkynes is CnH2n-2. Dash is one of the combustible components of LPG. Propane. At room temperature, ethanol is dash. It is liquid. Dash is also called spirit. Ethanol. Now, coming to the last lesson, lesson number 10, space missions. Due to dash, we can gather information about worldwide events sitting at home. Yes, it is internet. The first person to step on the moon was Neil Armstrong. The first artificial satellite, dash, was sent to space by Soviet Union. It is Sputnik. If a spacecraft is to escape the Earth's gravitational force to travel to outer space, it must have minimum velocity of 11.2 kilometers per second. A group of students from COEP made a small satellite, dash, and sent it to the space through ISRO in 2016. It is Swayam. The astronomical object nearest to the Earth is dash. Answer is moon. So children, we have discussed all the MCQs given in the question bank. Okay, from the SSC board. From all the lessons, from lesson number 1 to lesson number 10. So children, with this we have finished discussing all the MCQs provided by our SSC board, okay, in the question bank. We have discussed MCQs from lesson number 1 till lesson number 10, right? I hope everyone has understood this. Children, please go through all these MCQs. This will surely help you in your board exam to get a good score. Start preparing for your exam, children. All the best. Thank you, children.